Hey guys, Cabo Greg here. So first of all, thank you all for watching the last video I posted about is Cabo safe during this pandemic and all that stuff. And I got a lot of feedback from y'all, and it was great. Thank you very much. A lot of people asked to see what the actual city looks like. You know, what's been going on around town, you know, what the feel is like, which we thought is a really good thing to share. So we took some time and walked around the marina to give you an idea of what things are like and what's open and what's happening, and you know, kind of the feel for the city. I think what you'll see is that it's slowly coming back to life. You know, every week it seems like we're getting more and more activity, more people in town, you know, a lot more stuff opening, and the majority of the marina is open, as you'll see in the video. And so I wanted to share this with you just to give you an idea of what you can expect once you arrive, and you know, kind of the overall feel of things. We didn't go into town. Fewer things are open in town, and so that's starting to come. I think you know, in the next week or two we'll start to see people are reporting more openings, but overall it's starting to feel like Cabo again, honestly. Of course, the numbers aren't what they typically would be this time of year, but there's enough people in town where, you know, the one thing that, you know, when things are back to normal is when you see the guys out selling their stuff. And if you've ever been to Cabo before, you know that you can't walk 2 steps without somebody trying to sell you something. And the fact that those guys are out there hustling means that there's enough people in town for that to happen, which is a good sign. You know, those guys work hard, and it's hot, and you know, it's not an easy job, and as annoying as they can be, you know, it's really good to see them out, you know, enjoying having people around, and you know, it's a sign of coming back to life. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm planning, we hope to do this a little bit more with the beaches and the nightlife, and you know, kind of go out at night and kind of show you what it's like. You know, if you'd like to see those, let us know. Leave a comment below and let us know if you'd like to see the beaches, or you'd like to see what it's like at night. Or, you know, obviously if you've been to Cabo, you know you can't just walk into a resort and film there. But the reports from our friends are that it looks good. People are having a good time. Pools are people are laying out and having a good time at the pools, and you know, having their margaritas in the swim ups. And so, you know, that'd be great to show, but we can't. Take my word for it that it's good. Especially when you consider that most resorts are, you know, 30-40% capacity max. I think 30 is the max, actually. So it doesn't feel overcrowded, but it still feels like you're having fun. And, you know, I don't know about you, but if I go to a resort, I would much prefer to be around 30% of people than 100% of people. So it's really, really a good time to come down and get that experience of having the place a little bit more to yourself and not as crowded, but still feel like you're on vacation. And, you know, the big question on everybody's mind is, do I have to wear a mask everywhere? And as you can see during the video, some people do, some people don't. When you go into places, small little shops or whatever, of course you want to wear your mask. But when you're dining, you don't have to. If you're having a drink, if you're just walking around, it's up to you. I think each person has to, you know, think about what they want to do, and consider the fact that you know, while it's a good thing to do, it's not required at this point. And you'll hear a lot of things online about it, but seeing it for yourself is all. And if you guys followed me online or Instagram or Facebook, I'm about showing and not telling. Our fishing reports are photos of our catches, because I believe that that tells a real story. I could say anything. You know, I've never seen a bad fishing report for Cabo. So what I do is I just show pictures, like, hey, here's what's being caught. And so same deal here is I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then you judge for yourself. You tell me what you think it looks like and whether you'd like to visit. If you like the videos and you want to see the nightlife or the beaches, please give the video a like. Let us know you like it. Subscribe if you can. I'm not posting videos every day. You don't have to be annoyed by me. If we post, you know, a couple videos a month, I think that's going to be where we're at. But if you like it, consider that. That way I know that, hey, I can take the time to actually edit the videos and do all that stuff. It's a lot of work. It's no fun. I don't know how these people do it for a living. But all that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you consider visiting soon. If you do, love to have you. landsandcharters.com is the website, and thanks for watching. See you soon, hopefully. Thanks. Bye.